Hi, it's Miss Hammie. It's been a day. When I ordered my obsession, I couldn't remember whether I ordered EXO or X-EXO. So I didn't want to order two of the same thing. So I'm still waiting for the obsession version to arrive. It dropped today. But I didn't want to wait and order an X-EXO. So I went to the K-pop in the USA store in Doraville. They are on Instagram. I think they're also on Twitter. But I went there today. Slim pickings, folks, if I say so myself. Slim pickings. But I got my X-EXO version. I'm very happy to say. I started to get my scissors. There, that got it. So let's see what's in this one. I got a Beckham photo card. I was very upset because when I bought it, I bought this and I bought something else. So I qualified for a free poster. That's something that they do. But, excuse me, they didn't have any X-EXO or even EXO obsession Beckham posters. So, wasn't working for me. Okay, I'll have to see what this is. Because quite frankly, my Korean truly sucks, so. But this time, kind of coming apart. I got chin. Can you see? Hopefully you can see that. You see me. Well, I got chin this time. I got Suho the last time. One are we. That's the lyric book. I'll show you some of the pictures. Not all of them, but some of them. There they all are. That was kind of quick, sorry. Look at that. He is so gorgeous. It's Kai. Chanyeol. Suho. Young Betty, you look so hot. Stop. The other one is Young Daddy. This is Young Betty. Thank you. It's the old. There's Chanyeol and Sehun, or Sehun and Chanyeol. Those lenses must hurt. There's Suho. Sehun. All of them. Little bits and pieces. Chin. Baekhyun. Kai. There they are again. And again. And we have the credits and the CD. Not sure what this is. I'm not sure what this is, but I'll find out. There wasn't one in the if there was one in the other one I got, I missed it totally. There's Suho. This is his picture book. Ooh. Looking like Wolverine gone bad. And there's Baekhyun. Is angelic. Look at this one. Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry, there isn't a dog in X-EXO. I know that old trick. I'm not going to show you all of them. This is Young Betty. Oh. He is hot like fire, boy. No offense, Chanyeol. But look at him. Talk about gorgeous. Speaking of Chanyeol, Hot like fire, hot like fire, hot like fire. That's a wee bit of damage. And I feel badly. One, because my stomach is growling. I don't know if you heard that. But I only showed you one picture of Suho. And I've showed you multiple pictures of the other. Look at that. Lead me anywhere. Ooh. Daddy. Oh yeah. Now the front of Suho's has of Sehun's has a tiny bit of damage. And I'm hoping it did not. It went through a little right there. Not good. Not happy about that. But didn't damage the picture. Look at this baby. Absolutely gorgeous. Now, y'all know that I am trying to collect. Oh yeah, and they gave me this sticker. And they gave me a poster. It's the Baekhyun Super M poster. When I was there and bought something Super M, they didn't have any Baekhyun posters. Now, all of a sudden, they do. Which tends to make me think they did. They were holding on to it for somebody, and the somebody never came. Taking the price off. But I'm trying to get as many of EXO's previous albums as I can. And this is what I got today. Universe, the 2017 Winter Special. I almost bought it once before. Alright, showed you that. Back to okay, this is weird because there doesn't seem to be but one poster. It's Chanola. That's weird because my other one had two posters in it. There was a small poster and a large poster. This only has the large poster. But I'm not going to complain. Well, I could, but I'm not going to. What? Stop, Boo-Boo. That's odd. It seems like they should all come with the same thing. You know? And I'm not sure what this is. I'm going to have to check something on my other one. Also, I'm going to have to That's weird. I don't understand why there was only one poster. Now, when I got home from shopping, this was in my mailbox. I wasn't sure what it was because I've ordered a couple of things that should be coming in the mail. But it's a small package. That I am opening up. Funfetti. Candy. I ordered 2 pins. And as soon as I untangle this one from the Funfetti, I will show them both to you. Oh, you can see Miss Umi. There she is. Heaven only knows. Mm-hmm. Can you see? It says, "Call me, baby." I think it's so cute. What are you doing? You're gonna fall. I love you, but choice between you're the laptop. Costs about the same amount to get you fixed. And here's the other one. Can you see? It's Sehun in the back of the Mustang with the flowers. There, I think you can see it better right there. I saw them online and I just couldn't resist. Well, truth be told, I could have. I didn't want to. They are so nice. I like them so much. That's as close as I get to Pee Wee Herman. So that's unboxing for today. You have seen my pins. Put the candy back in here. One of them says lot duty free. She is on Instagram and I will look her information up and put it in the description box of this video. I will also put the information for the K-pop store if you're anywhere near Atlanta or Doraville or Duluth. They also take online orders, so they will ship to you. But for right now, that's it. I still have to get my red velvet video ready for today. So this is Miss Hammie saying bye-bye.